My name is Jerry Spanger. I run a company called Market Air, and we are the distributor in the USA for Inaba Denko's VRF's components and accessories. In July 2024, we got an inquiry from Jeff Stoneberg asking us if we could work with him to correct some problems that he had with line sets on buildings that he owned in Boston. What I found when I got here was quite a mess, and fortunately Jeff had the vision to see what it could be like in the future, and the RD was perfect for the job because it enabled us to encapsulate all the line sets and make them look very professional, which is what we did. The RD material was the perfect answer for this particular job because the material itself is very hardy. The coating is made with zinc-aluminum-magnesium, which gives it a corrosion resistance very close to stainless steel.
This is originally 4 brownstone buildings that were combined to make 2 buildings. There's a total of 20 apartments, and we wanted a way to offer air conditioning and deliver an economical and an attractive solution to our customers. We decided to put in mini splits, and that was a great solution. We had a contractor who provided it all, but we had a lot of problems. I was concerned that the line sets were exposed to weather, and frankly, it was a very unattractive solution. Given the problems with the installation, I really had to come in and rebuild the system. As part of that process, I found the RD system, which was a magnificent solution. It allowed us to have, as you can see, a very, very attractive presentation of our entire product, consistent with the standards that we hold in our properties. The wonder of the RD system is that not only is it attractive, but frankly, the line sets will now outlast the condensers. And that makes it a great long-term investment.